Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the D3D11 compatible GPU error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This error usually appears when a game cannot detect a graphics card that supports DirectX 11. First, check if your GPU actually supports DirectX 11. Press Windows plus R, type DXDiag, and press Enter. In the Display tab, look for the Feature Levels section. If you see 11_0 or higher, your GPU supports DirectX 11. If it does support it, the most common fix is updating your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and choose Update Driver. For best results, download the latest drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official website. Next, make sure Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and install any pending updates. If you're using a laptop, ensure the game is running on the dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. Open Graphics Settings in Windows, add the game, and set it to high performance. Finally, reinstall DirectX runtime files if needed. After applying these steps, restart your PC and launch the game again. In most cases, updating drivers and ensuring proper GPU selection resolves the D3D11 error successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.